Hi, I'm Justin, Project Manager with the Athens office for America's Home Place. As you may notice, there's some background noise that is caused from the generator. We have an active construction site behind us with framing going on. Today we're here to talk about the clearing on this site. We've done all the pre-planning on site to place our house. Typically in an office, we clear 20 to 30 feet of trees and debris from around the house to make sure there's enough room for everyone to come in and work safely. Also for us to have our material delivered on site and all of our trucks to be able to make sure we can get in concrete trucks and drywall trucks. In doing that, we generate a lot of debris that needs to be taken care of, either hauled off site, burnt on site, or mulched. Grading has been completed here, and we do have a pile of logs behind me that this homeowner has decided to keep for his personal use, his wood shop. That can possibly save you some money if you decide to do so. Other options for disposal of logs or brush on the site could be burning if the county allows it in the ordinances. Also, without having a burn ban, mulching, another option, or having them hauled off to a construction and debris landfill. Some of these options may help reduce your cost in overall clearing and grading. Best to discuss with your general manager or your project manager, whoever you're meeting with on site, and the possibilities that it could have for you. If you'd like to learn more, please visit our website at americashomeplace.com, and please like and subscribe.